Alright guys, man, this thing is such a beautiful car. Gotta love those wheels. So regarding the wheels, this car came from factory with performance tires. As you can see, they're very skinny, and the sidewall, it's a lot of stretch happening on fitment. So by stretch I mean this side right here sticks out more than the top, so it looks like the rim is like stretching the tire. Today we're gonna be getting new tires for it, but the thing about them, they're performance tires, and I live in in the north, so that doesn't really go well together. So I'm losing traction already, low temps happening right now. So what we're gonna do today is go to Tire Rack and pick up a set of brand new tires. So these tires on the Subaru, they're the proper sizes for this. Unfortunately, they don't really make a lot of tires on that size. So what we're gonna do is increase the width. That's going to allow us to fit more tires. We're gonna have more tire options. So right now we only have like 4 or 5 on the stock size. So we're gonna bump up from 245 to 255. So we're gonna increase traction and fitment. So the tires are gonna poke out a little bit more, and it's gonna protect the rim a little bit better. Let's unwrap our baby right here. This is the car that I use to haul all my tires. It is a hatchback, so you can fit a lot of things. So she's been sleeping, she's nice and clean right now, but we're gonna take it for a nice drive, and it should be fun. But first we gotta move this baby and do a cold start, the first cold start for the channel. Sounds good. Gotta love it, guys. The Subaru Rumble, man, it's awesome. So we're gonna move this car out of here so we can get our baby from out of there. Got a backup camera. Let's get going. So wrap this beauty right here. Alright, she's unwrapped. Hey, look at that logo though. Alright, so let's do a cold start on the DC5 next. To reset the light. I'm gonna do a video about that actually. I want to show you guys how to do that. Man, I miss driving this car. It used to be my daily back in the day, but not anymore. Once I started doing all the modifications, like the Type R stuff, you know, it just became more of a garage clean. I wouldn't say a garage clean because I do use it on the track and everything, but for the most part, this car just stays chilling. We're gonna go to Honda real quick and pick up something, and we should be on our way. What's up, guys? So we already did our pit stop at Honda. Now we are on our way to Tire Rack. Something that I want to touch base with you guys about Tire Rack. You can actually buy direct from them on TireRack.com and pick up the tires right from their warehouse, which is awesome because you save a lot of money. Not only you're picking it up from Tire Rack, and you know you're getting you know, like a brand new set that it hasn't been sitting on the storeroom forever. So you know you're getting a fresh set of tires, which is awesome. and you're also getting 2-year road hazard protection for free. There's a lot of tire shops out there that don't include that. They try to charge the customer for that. Oh, most of you guys daily your DC5. Whatever happens to that tire, they cover the cost, which is awesome. So make sure you check it out. That's where I buy all my tires from. They're not paying me to say, oh, this is just from my experience, and I just love quality. So I'm very excited to put these brand new tires on. Regarding the tires that I'm putting on, Sumitomo's HTR B02s. Those are my tire of choice for all season setup. Up here up north, we get a lot of rain, we get snow. So I personally don't like changing tires like that. I don't like having different setups. I like having one tire that does it all. I took those tires to the track on the DC5 because that's all the tires that I have on the DC5. And it performed absolutely amazing. I didn't lose traction like that. It surprised me. It did incredibly well on the track. It does amazing on the streets, and it does amazing on the snow. They also have summer tires that you can choose from. You don't have to choose the HTR P02s. So guys, we're gonna go to Tire Rack right now and pick up those tires. Here, boys. We're here. So the only thing that you need to do is to go to customer pickup and go to the front desk, pretty much sign in and wait on the loading dock, and they'll bring it right out. So right now it's kind of busy. We have a bunch of people here. It is a weekday, so but let's get started. So now we're just waiting for them to come out. We got our order, and yeah, just wait in the loading dock, and it should come out with your new tires. So a quick little funny thing. So when I pull up to the Honda dealership, they always stare, because they never seen a car like this. They don't know what a DC5 is. They only know new cars. So I mean, to me, it's kind of funny. It's like if you're selling Hondas, like you don't know the history of the car. If you're working on a Honda dealership, I think you should know a little bit of the history of Hondas. I mean, you're selling the product, so educate yourself about your product that you're selling. So to me, it's kind of funny. I get a lot of questions every time I pull up. But today, nobody approached me today, but they were like staring through the glass. And as I was pulling up, they were like looking at the back of the car, looking for the name, because they've never seen something like this before. So it was pretty hilarious. It was pretty funny. Whew. All right, we got our tires. We're good to go. It's kind of cold, guys. Cold season already kicked in. So now we're on the way back, and let's get these tires mounted on the WRX. STI. It's not a regular WRX. Alright guys, we're back. We're going to get this car jack stands and remove all the wheels. Jesus, these calipers are humongous. Look how big the calipers are. 6-piston Brembo brakes. Pretty awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up. I'm gonna remove all the wheels. Let's look at these wheels real quick. Man, these things are beautiful, guys. Absolutely love it. Factory brand, and factory size is 245, 35, 19s. So we're gonna go from a 245 to a 255. Not too bad. Alright, so we're back at the Acura dealership. We came earlier to drop off the tires, and now we're dropping off the wheels. And I'll show you this Civic Si in red. It looks really cool. I always like that model, but I'll show you in a little bit. Alright, we're all parked up. We're in the shop right here. And I'm going to show you this SI that I found right here. Look at this beauty. Absolutely beautiful. Very nice. I always like this year model. I might own one of these in the future. Who knows? I always like the design of it, especially in the back too. It's a nice exhaust too. But nice car. Look what we got. The keys to an RDX A-Spec model. The people here at Acura dealership, they love me, man. They just give me the keys and said, hey, go check it out. It's awesome, right? So we have a nice A-Spec model RDX. I checked these out New York Auto Show this year. Man, these things are fire. Absolutely beautiful work that they did over at the Acura headquarters. Man, I love the black accented. You know, it's not chrome or anything like that. Got those nice headlights. Got the A-Spec badging. It's a pretty nice car, guys. Very nice. So I'm gonna step in and check it out. I want to show you guys something. Got the A-Spec. So let's step in, and I want to show you something awesome. So look at that. Isn't that amazing? Such a great job, guys. Look at this thing. You can get a touchpad, center console, beautiful seats. This is suede. See? But something cool I want to show you and point out is these gauges, guys. So what does that remind you of? No, RSX Type S from 05 to 06. So it seems like they copied the you know, the design of it, and they kind of like, you know, it's like a hint, you know, for the future Type S whenever that's gonna come out. But it has nice sport pedals. That's really nice. We got brushed aluminum. This is awesome, guys. We got A-Spec badging. Look at that thing. Such a great job. Well, let's just do the accessory. See what happens. We got ELS audio. Look at that thing. It's so cool. Wow. Super cool. I love it. Wow, look at these gauges, guys. Paddle shifters, you can see right there. They're actually nice, heavy duty. They're not cheap. You can hear the clicks. Very nice. They're very sturdy. I like the steering wheel a lot. So let's turn it on right now. Turn it on. Wow. This is very nice. And I'm going to show you shutting it off. It has a beautiful animation. Ready? What? Alright, let's get out of here. We got ELS audio. Bam. Got the back seats. Very nice. They did such a great job. They brought back the exhaust system. For a few years they got rid of them, but you know, they kind of got the point. People love these things. they want to see some exhaust, so they did a dual pipe system. So let's lock it up. Nice. All right, let's get back into the shop.
Here's the number I need you to work on first. Okay, this worker on, this number, and
check out this MDX A-Spec model. Wow, they're really bringing it back. A-Spec. See if we can see the inside. Woo! I didn't grab the keys for these, but man, I just happened to spot it from like really far away. They did the exhaust system on this as well, but man, they're doing such a good job, man. I cannot stress it how good of a job they're doing. They just got to bring the Type S back. Enough. The tires are done. Let's go get it. All right, boys, it's a brand new day. We got the wheels on, and look at that fit, man. This tire definitely brings you know, more of a width to the car, and kind of matches the flares. But the fitment, guys, absolutely awesome. Sticks out a little bit more than the stock ones, and then you don't have that stretched tire look. So definitely gives it a nice rally look. Check out all the leaves in there. I definitely recommend this tire size, 255s all the way around on a stock 2018 and up WRX SDI. So check it out. As far as ride quality, I drove it for about 20 miles or so. Guys, you have to change these tires. If you're gonna commute this car on stock setup, which comes with summer tires, you definitely have to change those tires, because going from, you know, a 200 rated tire to a 500 and over tire, the ride is definitely much smoother, more comfortable, definitely much comfortable than before. The grip, the handling kind of improves. The road noise, definitely, it's absolutely like absent. You can't like hear road noise anymore, so definitely a plus there. These cabins on these cars are pretty noisy. I think that had to do a lot with the tire. So now that I have a much better setup, the car definitely handles better, less road noise, and overall looks awesome too. Check it out, guys. Absolutely recommend it to the 2018 and over WRX STI owners. Alright guys, so that's going to conclude this video. I hope you found it super helpful, and it was quite an adventure. We reviewed that RDX. That car was pretty awesome. If I were to buy a SUV, it would be RDX or MDX. Those are my two top choices. I don't know if you guys are into SUVs, but definitely the A-Spec models are absolutely a hit. So guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this content. We have the WRX now, so it's an awesome car, and I cannot wait to learn more about it. So thank you for watching, and then until the next one, peace.